This leaked document is a cabinet memorandum from Zimbabwe's Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Yambi. It proposes undemocratic constitutional amendments with huge implications for Zimbabwe. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuda panapa achitsanangura pamusoro pememorandum yarambwa aiwa nana Nick Mangwana vakati aiwa musateerera kune this our leaked memorandum iri kutendedzwa pasocial media iri kunyatsokutsanangura and ichifulfilla maplans at the ruling party ZANU-PF at this point in time. Iri kuonekwa kunzi they are trying to consolidate power. Sanapenda mashoko kudanyirwa panapa ndokuba subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa pa handle yeX achikuonekwa panyoka pachinzi. This include having Emerson Mnangagwa as a life president because at 86, if he gets another 3 years in office after his term ends in 2028, he will be a 92-year-old in 2031. According to this document, Mnangagwa and his surrogates plan to extend the terms of office for president, parliament and councils by up to 3 years through a 2/3 parliamentary vote. This is why the MPs were illegally given land. It is Greenway land, and the allocation was unlawful and had nothing to do with the 2013 land offers to MPs. As I reported at the time, they plan to postpone elections for that duration. They also intend to repeal term limit protections in the Zimbabwean constitution. They also want to remove section 328(7), which currently prohibits the retroactive application of term limits amendments. This means they are attempting to remove a constitutional safeguard that prevents leaders from benefiting from changes to term limits after they are already in office, just like they did with the disgraced Zimbabwean Chief Justice Luke Malaba. They also want to shift voter registration responsibilities from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) to the Registrar of Births and Deaths. The direct consequences of this is the postponement of elections by up to 3 years, which of course is undemocratic. Stripping ZEC of its voter registration mandate undermines the independence and integrity of the electoral process in Zimbabwe. Even though Nick Mangwana vakaramba provisions of this memorandum vachiti isu kana taita amendments tinouya tichimapublisha officially official handles, panguva ino zvanyatsokuratidza kuti these guys they can deny zvavo or their plans may be interrupted or disrupted nokuda kwokuti vanhu vanotrusta they are also releasing documents avo from backdoor. Zvinatsokuratidza kuti ZANU-PF panguva ino, yes, they're involving people vavari kuda kuti vakwanise kuisa amendments nemabviews avari kuisa against the citizens, but the same people they're also leaking the information. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pane comment section medu. Tudze mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.